Hello there, everybody. How you doing today? It's a beautiful, beautiful Monday. Coming to you live from the garage. And today we're going to be talking about a lot of different things. There's so many things to talk about that I don't even know where to start, which is great because that means we won't be bored here. I have plenty of knowledge to provide. This is not financial advice. Please be advised. This is for educational and entertainment purposes only. So please do your own research. I'm not trying to put trades out there to funnel in people's money. I'm not trying to tell you to go buy anything in particular. I'm just here trying to talk about some of the things that I've learned myself and things that I hopefully will continue to grow at and learn more. So so I do a beer review each stream, and today I have this Left Hand Brew Co. Peanut Butter Milk Stout right there. And this happens to be one of my favorite beers. It is a rating of 9 out of 10, with 0 being undrinkable and 10 being absolutely the best. I give this Left Hand Peanut Butter Milk Stout a 9. And the brewer is Left Hand Brew Co. It's a milk stout, and the alcohol per volume is a 6.2. So I'm going to enjoy this here while I'm chilling at home on Monday. I worked Saturday and Sunday and was real busy over the weekend. So finally, I think I got most of the bugs figured out with this stream. I did a broadcast the other night, but it just didn't go as planned, and so I'm going to redo and recap on the broadcast that I did the other night. We have some different topics I want to talk about today, and those are EMA, what that is. So EMA, what is that? I'm sure you've heard that before. Maybe you haven't. Maybe you're just new to the space and you've never heard of estimated moving average. So, excuse me. When you go onto, let's say like Cash App or Robinhood, Robinhood's a great one to talk about in specific with this situation, or Webull, you can change a lot of the time on the exchange. You can change your chart view. And what I mean by that, you're getting on Cash App and Robinhood, when you're just seeing the lines. Okay, so when you just see one single line and there's no candles, I'll explain what those things are here in a second. Just give me a moment, please. Okay, so actually it's exponential. So the exponential moving average is the technical chart indicator that tracks the price of an investment like a stock or commodity over time. The EMA is a type of weighted moving average that gives more weighting or importance to recent price data. So not only when you make a trade are you not actually trading in real time, but usually it's about 2 days if you're in the stock market, and it's I would say it's pretty close to instant, but still delayed, definitely still delayed, but it's still more close to instant in the crypto market. The crypto market is 24/7. You can trade it any day, anytime. With stocks, you're only trading on 8 or nine to five, or whatever it is. I got out of the stock market myself temporarily. It just depends on what you want to do. There's a lot of different ways of trading, and I think a lot of people get confused and argumentative on the right way to trade. And there's not really a right way to trade, right? Like, everybody wants to make money trading, or they're trying to invest in a company they believe in and still probably get a return. Like, that's why we invest in assets, right? So we can put money in now and get more money later. That's the idea. So at least it is for me. With the estimated moving average, what you're getting, let's see if I can pull up an image here. Kind of describe it. Oh, this is perfect. So, that's not it. I want something a little better. So what I wanted to show you is estimated moving average we're over here at tradingview.com. This is a great place to check and see if you read some information about your trade to see if it's a good buy or not. So with the estimated moving average, basically what you're getting is a average moving line over a course of time, and it's only showing you what the average high and low is and what the average open and close is. It's not showing you actually what each of those points were that it touched within the chart, with the candles. So a lot of people, I feel like when they get into the investing space, they get, the number one things I hear is, I don't have enough money to start investing, that's a crock, because you can start investing with your piggy bank, your change. $10, a month. I've seen people put $10 a month in and get a return. It's not about how much you're putting in, it's how much time you're willing to wait to see a return on that. And if you're dedicated to it, if you put $10 in or $50 in an asset and you don't look at it for 6 months and you don't care about it, then that asset's not going to care about you. It might go up, it might go down. That's like buying the lottery. If you want to go buy a lottery ticket, go buy a lottery ticket. It's just as easy, and at least with assets, depending on which assets you buy, you can always sell that asset later if it goes down. So if you buy now at $1 and it goes down to 75 cents tomorrow, and it's there for 3 days, and you sell, you lost money. But if you wait to sell that, and you actually say in 3 or 5 days from now it goes up to $1.50, you just took a profit on that, and that's what you're trying to do. It takes patience. It's not an easy game to play. There's day trading, there's swing trading, there's long-term trading, there's there's crypto trading. There's so many different there's thousands and thousands and thousands of assets out there. So with the estimated moving average, what you're getting is you're getting an average moving line over a course of time. So if I pull up the Bitcoin to the US dollar chart just as a reference, this right here is an EMA, okay? This is an estimated moving average of Bitcoin, and what you're like you can see, you're only getting this one line with these numbers over here, which is the price. Okay, now if you go to full feature chart here, look at how much information. Totally changes everything. The whole screen is different. I know, I get it, it's a little overwhelming at first. There's a lot of things that are constantly moving and updating on this page. Don't let it overwhelm you. You can click most of that stuff and just get it off of there for now. But like when you're going into buying an asset, if you're going to buy it on Cash App because it's super easy to buy, I get that. Trust me, I get that. But if you're going to go on Cash App and buy it, and they're only giving you the estimated moving average, and that's all you have to look at, you really can't value yourself at a good so what you do is, like, if what one could do is if you wanted to buy into an asset, it doesn't show you very much information. Let's just say you wanted to know what its open was yesterday, its opening price of the day, or its closing price of the day, or of the week, or of the month, whatever time scale that you would like to look at. And so say you go to look that up, and you're going to buy this asset. You come over here, and I'm pretty sure Bitcoin's on Cash App, if I'm not mistaken. You're going to want to know if 70% today. You don't want to buy that, because you're buying an asset that's already appreciated in value 70% on the day. So it's already gone up that much. It's probably not going to go up 140, 180, 200%. And if it does, I mean, if you can't be buying on that every time, because if you're buying on that every time, you're going to be broke. So I pull up the EMA here. So if you look at this chart, these green blocks here, these are candlestick, and these red blocks, these are candlesticks as well. And these are bullish candlesticks here in the green. Oh, you can't see it on my screen here. Sorry about that. These green boxes right here are candlesticks, okay? And the red box, candlesticks. Now you have bullish candlesticks, which is the green, and you have bearish candlesticks, which is the red, okay? And what all that means, people get really confused when you say stuff, bullish is buyers, and bearish is sellers, okay? So whatever you can, this is TradingView, like I said, and when I'm looking at this chart, you see these candlesticks, these bullish and bearish candlesticks. It shows you over time where this asset has gone, where the price was over here on the left. You can scroll over and see everything it's done, released up until now. So if I say I was going to go over here, that's for the daily. You can go 1 week time scale, 1 month, 4 hours, 3 hours, any time scale you really want to. You can figure it in there. I think there's even a way to do a custom time scale. So I'm going to go ahead and go over to the monthly, and as you can see, Bitcoin's monthly chart it's gone parabolic. It's been going parabolic for years. It's done almost 200% every year since it came out, and it doesn't show any signs of stopping. Let's just say that. But if you look on here, according to TradingView, oh, that's not right. This is 2011. I'm not exactly sure which year Bitcoin came out. I should know that. I do know that information. I lost it. I don't know why it's not, instantly like, boom, I know that answer. But I do know that answer. I just forgot for the moment. So, but you could see, like, Bitcoin was worth almost nothing, everybody jokes, so you can get 4 Bitcoin for $1 at one time, and now it's at $57,695.74 today when this video was made. So what you're getting essentially with the estimated moving average here, with the estimated moving average, is you're getting a line that's calculated on the average of all of these candlesticks and candlesticks and candle wicks. And so you're just looking through here at this blue line, that's just one line. This up and down and all this consolidation and these dips and, you're just very limited, and if I was going to put my money into any asset, I don't care what it is. If I was going to buy something, I'm going to want to look at its chart and its history. Is there even a chart for it? If there's not, I probably don't want to buy it, I don't want to lose my investment. I want to make money on my investment. If I'm losing my investment every time, I'm just funneling my money into the people that know what they're doing, which is what I'm trying to teach today. I'm trying to teach basic introduction to stock charts and explain that if you just use estimated moving average, you're missing out on all the information. That might be your $10 and you might be like, oh, I don't care. If I lose my money, it was only $10. But if you could take that $10 and you can take that $25 and make 50, and then take that 50 and make, 75. If you can keep doing that and not spend that money over a course of time, you can make money. All right. It takes a little bit of knowledge, a little bit of time. It's not the most exciting thing. I think it's fun. I wouldn't be here if I didn't think it was somewhat fun. I'm not out here trying to tell you guys, hey, go buy Bitcoin, or hey, go buy this crypto, man. It's cool. It does this, oh, Safemoon. Oh yeah, Safemoon to the moon, man. No, that's not me. I'm going to be out here. I'm going to tell you not to buy assets like Safemoon. Why? Because there's better assets, money on that are, and that's just speculation, but that's my opinion. I've been doing this for a while, not as long as I had liked, and I wish I was doing this since high school, but I actually have some sort of little bit of knack for it, and as much time as I dedicate to stocks, I just thought maybe I could share a little information with you guys. So anyways, when you're looking at the chart, don't get overwhelmed. There's lots of names for all of these candles, and if a candle here and a candle here and a candle in the middle all coincide to do these things, and they could be this, and it's all theoretical based stuff. Now, what's a theory? Something that's a thought that's tested, hypothesis, right? Theory, and then you test these hypotheses and these theories, and the only thing with the market is these hypotheses and theories don't work every time. So on March 3rd, March 3rd, 2021, $33, and you were expecting if you were expecting it to say you put a short on it, you could have put a short on it and it could have went down a little bit and you could have made some money if you bought at this top. Now, I'm not a big fan of shorts, but if you would have bought down here on February 28th, 2021, 1,924, you could have took a little bit of a profit up there. I definitely feel like that's why people in this market, some people are just greedy, and other people just want the easy way out. I can't tell you how many people I see on Facebook every day just spamming S coins and other assets that just they hold no value. And if you look at the history of the crypto market in 2017, for real. The crypto market in 2017 was full of scam coins, full of them. And you just don't want to be getting stuck in that. And you could buy into a scam coin for your first coin, and it could ruin all of the market for you. And that's no fun. I want people to get into the market and enjoy it. It should be a fun space. There's a lot of good people and good knowledge in the market. You can look at things in different ways. Like lumber prices are crazy stupid high right now. You can pull up a chart and look at that and see what it's doing. You can invest in lumber. Yeah, lumber's going up crazy, but if you would have bought in before it went up crazy, you'd be sitting on some money instead of worrying about paying the lumber bills. There's just different things you can do. Anyways, my point is, please do your own research. And if you're using something like Robinhood, for example, has a little button next to the chart, and you can actually switch it back and forth between candles and estimated moving average. So I recommend just at least taking a peek. You don't have to go out and spend your whole Saturday or Sunday evening learning about candles, but like I do, unfortunately. But you can just look up a few things. Find out what a bullish and bearish candle are. You definitely don't a whole bunch. I know I said that. But like a lot of people, that's where the hype is. People see this asset, it's up 50, 75, this, that, and the other % today, and then they just immediately never been in the market before, and they're over there. Where do I sign? I mean, they're literally trying to put their money in my pockets. Like, oh, here, tell me where to put it. And I'm like, no. I have my own investments. I bought in before it went up 75%. I'm not, you know what I'm saying? So, you gotta know what you're buying. Spend a little bit of time. If you work really hard for a few weeks and you save $1,000 or you save $10, I mean, even if you put $1 a week away until you earn $10, and then just started off with that in the market. If you turn that 10 to 20, that 20 to 40, 40 to 80, etc.,